Punawala, political analyst, joining us as well. Very interesting reactions coming in from the Congress workers who are saying that the mandate was with the Mahagathbandhan, but it was Nitish Kumar who decided to break up the Mahagathbandhan, joined the NDA fold. Now it is again Nitish Kumar who has decided to split with the BJP and wants to form government with RJD.
Swati, good afternoon. Thank you for having me on the show. Good afternoon to all my fellow panelists and to viewers. You see, this is a very interesting time in our history as a nation and in our political history, because what the Bharatiya Janata Party is doing with all its alliance partners, and even with Nitish Ji, is trying to break its alliance partners and merge them into the BJP. We saw this with the MBA and the Shiv Sena in Maharashtra, and they tried the exact same thing with Nitish Kumar ji in Bihar. And this is exactly what the Bharatiya Janata Party stands for. And I've always said this on times now. Any alliance partner of the Bharatiya Janata Party tends to get over, whether it's the Akali Dal, whether it's Chandrababu Naidu, whether it's Nitish Kumar ji, whether it's the Shiv Sena. The Bharatiya Janata Party is the proverbial muck that swallows up people. It's like the quicksand that swallows up its alliance partners. And that's where the lotus blooms.
But Tehseen, you know, we've seen different kind of statements coming from each of the camps involved here. For example, until a few months ago, let's say in the month of May somewhere, Tejashwi Yadav could be heard clearing the air repeatedly, and he kept saying that, you know, talks of JDU-RJD alliance are all imaginary. There's no scope of that happening at all. What happened now? Because now there are members of the JDU, close allies of Nitish Kumar, who are also pointing out at the very fact that he's going to be working towards a joint opposition, perhaps spearheading that movement ahead of 2024. Will the Congress and the RJD support him if he wants to, let's say, be a Prime Minister candidate?
I think we are running too ahead of ourselves. Nitish ji has three options with him. But one option for sure that is there is the BJP will not make the first move. At this point, it will allow Nitish to make the first move. That's A. You have to also remember a little back during the Bihar elections recently, how BJP insulted and humiliated Nitish Kumar by fielding Chirag Paswan's candidates only against Nitish Kumar and not against the BJP, thereby considerably reducing his strength to 45 and increasing the BJP's tally to 77. So the BJP is a master at this. Nitish Kumar ji has known how to survive. Let us see what works out, whether Nitish ji gives up CM-ship to Tejaswi and the Congress, merges with the Congress, and 2024 wants to be a national
leader. Very interesting.
Leader.
So your analysis is that BJP used Chirag Paswan against Nitish Kumar. The rift was created by the BJP. Mr. Rajgopalan, your quick response. BJP swallows its allies, says Tehseen Punawala.
BJP is a growing party. My understanding is Mr. Nitish Kumar, who is going to be projected as the Prime Ministerial candidate for 2024, and thereby it is going to be a great disappointment for Tehseen Punawala because Rahul Gandhi is not going to be the Prime Ministerial candidate. Therefore, my understanding is Bihar, Gaur Parivarwad will come back. My another comment against, what Mr. Tehseen Punawala, my good friend, has commented just now, is not going to be the act because Congress is nowhere in this picture. Though they may be getting one or two ministries, but the smooth operator, Mr. Nitish Kumar is being, whether BJP or RJD, he is like a pendulum from right to left, left to right. He is good at it, but how long? The people of Bihar will not trust him.
You're questioning stability, Mr. Rajgopalan. See what Tejaswi Yadav is saying. He's saying we'll topple the government at the center next. So that's the next master plan.
Oh, very good. Let them try. Let them try. Everything is happening. What happened in Nitish Kumar, whether Speaker or the Governor are going to help him now at 4 p.m. You wait and watch for 2 hours. We have to wait because BJP has not made any comment so far. It has been silent. So one has to understand what the silence is.
Okay, all right. Tehseen, would you want to respond to that? Because in case, if we go by what Upendra Kushwaha, for example, has said, and how he's revealed Nitish Kumar's future national ambitions, that's going to be a big setback for the Congress itself.
No. First to Rajgopalan ji, who's a very senior journalist, one I respect, and Rajgopalan ji, you have to cover Parliament when I'm in Parliament. So, I mean, jokes apart, but there are two parts to this. One, the Congress will insist and will keep the Speaker's post. No doubt about it. Two, you might even see, like earlier, a merger happening where Nitish ji will get projected. That can also be an option. See, you can leave nothing off the table. But more importantly, it's not a question of one or two ministers, Rajgopalan ji. As you will agree with me, the Congress in its alliance with RJD has lost a lot of upper caste and Dalit votes.
All right. I have to go across to our reporters as well. The action is there on ground. Aishwarya is with us on the broadcast. Aishwarya, if really, the issue is that Nitish Kumar, the JDU, feels that they were turned into a junior partner because of BJP's master plan, they will remain a junior partner in any alliance given the number of seats that they won in the assembly elections.
Well, that's right. And what was said after the BJP came into alliance with the JDU, that BJP will be big brother of the JDU in the alliance that was formed. But certainly, if this arrangement of Mahagathbandhan will be made, as Lalu Prasad Yadav's family is currently tweeting that Lalten फिर से जल चुकी है and Tejasvi Yadav will be sworn in as the Chief Minister. There are several things that have to be looked upon in the upcoming days as the government formation, what kind of government formation it will be. But certainly the RJD workers over here who are in a celebratory mode are clearly stating that they wanted Tejasvi Yadav to be the Chief Minister, but it is Nitish Kumar who is certainly is going to take the post of Chief Minister as far as the new government is concerned. There are a lot of other कार्यकर्ताज of the RJD as well. RJD के सपोर्ट में आप आए थे यहाँ पर?
एकदम बिल्कुल, RJD का समर्थक भी हम हैं और कार्यकर्ता भी हैं।
अच्छा, तो आप ये बताइए कि किस तरीके से देख रहे हैं इस पूरी परिस्थिति को, जिस पार्टी के खिलाफ आपने चुनाव लड़ा था, आज उसी पार्टी के साथ मिलकर दोबारा सरकार बनाने जा रहे हैं?
देखिए, पार्टी के खिलाफ कोई लड़ता नहीं है, समाजवाद के खिलाफ था। वो हमारे सामंती विचारधारा से थे, इसलिए वो दूर थे। समाजवादी के साथ में जुड़ रहे हैं तो हम लोग स्वागत कर रहे हैं। इसके लेकर के हम लोग नीतीश जी को भी बधाई देंगे कि हमारे साथ में जुड़कर सरकार बनाने के लिए पहल की है।
All right, so they are well confident of the new kind of arrangement, but just few minutes from now what we are hearing is also that all the MLAs of Congress left and the RJD will come out from Rabdi Devi's residence here, and they will be going to meet Nitish Kumar at his residence certainly, and will be handing over the letter of support to Nitish Kumar, and at around 4 is what we are hearing is that Nitish Kumar, who had short time with the governor, will be handing over the letter of support as well. आप लोग किस पार्टी से हैं और किस पार्टी के?
मैं किसी पार्टी का नहीं हूँ, बस एज ए युवा नौकरी की चाहत है। और तेजस्वी जी ने बोला था कि पहले
क्या हालत है इस समय युवाओं की बिहार के अंदर?
अभी तो हालत खराब है, क्योंकि तेजस्वी सरकार ने पहला कैबिनेट में बोला था कि 10 लाख रोजगार पहला साइन से दिया जाएगा। तो हम
तो अगर नई सरकार बनती है तो इनसे आशा है आप?
जी, सबसे बड़े युवाओं को यही आशा है, चाहे वो कोई भी पार्टी का हो, कि उसको रोजगार मिले और युवा सशक्त बने और अपना पैर पे खड़ा हो, और सबसे बड़ी उम्मीद यही है युवा की।
क्या कहेंगे आप, जिस तरीके से राजनीतिक उथल फुथल चल रहा है और अब लगभग आरजेडी और जेडीयू जिन्होंने अलग अलग तरीके से एक दूसरे के खिलाफ चुनाव लड़ा था, एक साथ आकर अब सरकार बना रहे हैं बिहार के अंदर?
ये देखिए, बिहार की 13 करोड़ जनता की जीत है। अब आने वाला कुछ घंटों में आपको कुछ पता चल जाएगा क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ। बीजेपी ने इतना महंगाई इतना बढ़ा दिया, देश का किसान आज रोड पर है, देश का रुपये आप ही बोले ना, देश का जवान रोड पर है, हर आदमी रोड पर है, 4 साल की नौकरी दे रहे हैं, तो जनता बदलाव चाहती है।
अच्छा, आरजेडी सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी तो है बिहार के अंदर, क्या जेडीयू के नीतीश कुमार जो तीसरी सबसे बड़ी पार्टी है बिहार में, उनको मुख्यमंत्री देख रहे हैं आप लोग?
अब ये बड़े लोगों का फैसला, हमको कुछ नहीं पता।
शीश देते थे फैसला,
कुछ होगा। देखिए, थोड़ी देर में आपको पता चल जाएगा। इसको और प्यार का मजा लीजिए, थोड़ा इंतजार प्यार का मजा लीजिए, बस 2 घंटा के अंदर आपको पता चल जाएगा। बिल्कुल।
आप क्या कहेंगे, तेजस्वी यादव को मुख्यमंत्री नहीं बनाते तब भी आप लोग समर्थन में रहेंगे?
देखिए, हम लोग राष्ट्रीय जनता दल के चाहने वाले हैं। जो शीर्ष नेतृत्व का जो फैसला होगा वो मेरा फैसला होगा, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत उम्मीद के साथ राष्ट्रीय जनता दल से है। युवाओं को उम्मीद है माननीय तेजस्वी यादव से, बिहार को किसान को उम्मीद है माननीय तेजस्वी यादव से। अंतिम पायदान पर बैठे हुए गरीब गुरबों को की आवाज है तेजस्वी यादव, उनको बहुत उम्मीद है उनसे।
सबसे बड़ी पार्टी आरजेडी की है और उन्हीं का जो नेता है वो मुख्यमंत्री नहीं रहता है, तो आप लोगों को कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं होगी इस स्थिति में?
नहीं, ये तो शीर्ष नेतृत्व फैसला लेगा जो क्या करना है, मगर तेजस्वी यादव गरीबों के मसीहा है, अल्पसंख्यकों के मसीहा हैं, और जो जिस पायदान पे लोग हैं युवा पीढ़ी, उनसे बहुत तेजस्वी यादव से आशा लगाए हुए हैं कि बिहार में नेतृत्व बदलता है तो लोगों के एक विकास की राह पे चल पड़ेगा।
If the new government is being formed, then there will be development in the state of Bihar. There you can see a small child over here wearing RJD scarf on his head. क्या कहेंगे, क्यों आए आप यहाँ पर आरजेडी के ऑफिस के बाहर? कौन है आपका नेता, कौन है? तेजस्वी यादव, उन्हीं को मुख्यमंत्री देखेंगे। So you can see now people from all the parties, in fact workers from RJD, Congress and the left parties are coming over here, and they are well confident about the new government under the leadership of either Tejeswi Yadav or Nitish Kumar to be formed in the state of Bihar. Just few moments from now, as the MLAs from RJD and Congress and left parties will be coming out from Rabi Devi's residence here at 10.
All right. Aishwarya, thank you for getting us all those voices. Let's quickly go across to Aditya as well. Aditya, give us a sense of what you're picking up. The RJD and the JDU combined have made up their mind to deliver a setback to the NDA.
Well, exactly. As far as the recent turn of events, political events in Patna is concerned, of course, it apparently is apparent that RJD and the JDU have decided to give a jolt to the state of politics of Bihar. We are joined by some party supporters who have actually thronged this particular place outside Bihar Raj Bhavan, and we'll try to talk to them and what do they feel of this turn of events. क्या आपको लगता है अभी के घटनाक्रम से आप लोग क्या देख रहे हैं?
देखिए, एक बात तो स्पष्ट है कि बिहार में नीतीश कुमार फैक्टर को कोई नकार नहीं सकता है, और जिधर नीतीश रहेंगे उधर ही सरकार रहेगी, क्योंकि वो बिहार के जन जन के दिल में बसते हैं। वो जनप्रिय नेता है। वो बिहार में जिस विकास की उन्होंने गंगा बहाई है, जनता उस पर मोहर लगाती है। लेकिन कोई इस मुहावरे में जीता है कि वो सर्वमान है, वो किसी को निगल जाएगी क्षेत्रीय पार्टी को, तो ये बिहार में होने वाला बात नहीं है। ये बिहार है, लोगों को समझ लेना चाहिए, ये महाराष्ट्र नहीं।
आप बताइए।
यहाँ नीतीश कुमार और निशिक फैक्टर ही चलता है, यहाँ विकास का काम होता है और विकास ही बोलता है, और इसलिए नीतीश कुमार विकास से मुंह नहीं मोड़ सकते।
आदित्य, stay on with us.